Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have two different openings to discuss in this video. One is from the IBM, another from EY. So, let's discuss that in very detailed format. Okay. So, before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So, once you activate the bell icon, please enable the option all so that you will get notifications regarding any videos that we upload. Okay. So let's proceed with it. So first, let's discuss about the IBM opportunity itself. IBM is hiring for the intern, that is project trainee. It's an internship opportunity, but it's very important for everyone who's a fresher. I mean, finally a student. Okay, so required and professional expertise will be conduct and be a part of design thinking discussions or workshops, work on research and analysis, define and document customer journeys, understand and document innovation priorities and trends for the industry. Okay, now preferred technical expertise will be good to have completed any course on Pluralsight, Coursera, edX on programming, cloud, data science, AI. A quick starter who works with minimum direction should have exceptional consulting skills and analytical abilities for understanding customer journey. You may need to study digital priorities for a potential client. Okay, so these are the technical skills that they want. Now let's go to the qualification criteria. So candidate with good academic record and studying either of the below, that is BE or BTech or ME, MTech in computer science, electronics, mechatronics or electrical. Okay, so they have mentioned the criteria, like all the education criteria and what are the qualifications or the qualities that you should have to get on this particular position available. And they haven't mentioned like this is only for this final year student. So at present 2022 and 21st students also can try applying to this job. Okay, now to apply for that, our usual process have to taken care of. So you'll click on this apply button, and if you want to compare, I mean, if you want to get the notifications, then you can join them, or else you can continue with that. So before moving on to that, there's an exciting information from our side that we have a crash course from 27th of November and 11th till 11th of December. So it's a live course actually for aptitude and reasoning. So TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Accenture, 10 years question papers will be the topic for discussion. And you will get all the syllabus, the shorthand tricks, how you can get through the exam, and like it will be a complete package for your aptitude and reasoning section for your online assessment. Okay, so anyone who is trying to get into these companies, obviously this will be helpful for you, as well as not particularly about this companies, the practice that we give at the sessions will be helpful for you to crack any of the aptitude and reasoning. Okay, so whoever applying to any of the job, please to make sure that you prepare well, very much enough, pretty enough, and then apply for that. You might have seen the criteria in most of the companies like 3 months, 6 months. If you are already applied, you cannot take this opportunity. So that criteria is very strong and very important. So if you miss one opportunity, then you will have only 3 to 6 months. You need to wait for the another opportunity from the same company. So please to make sure that you don't miss any kind of opportunities. Okay, so start preparing like however you wish and do it. We can assist you with this course, and whole of this package is available to you at just rupees 199. Recordings, materials, live Q&A sessions, doubt clearing sessions, everything will be provided for you. We can provide your solutions to your concern. Okay, so the link will be there in the description. You can get it from there and apply for the same. Okay, so meanwhile, let's see what is the application process, how to continue with that. Okay, so you need to click on the apply button. Same information is provided. So you can even sign in with your LinkedIn profile and apply for that, or else you can use the email ID and password if you have already a profile under IBM Careers. If not, you can create a new account and do the same. Okay, so this is how you need to take care of the application process. So whoever could apply for that, please to apply it at the earliest. This opportunity is very important. This will give you a very great insight to data science, AI kind of things. Okay, so that's it. Next, we have another opening from AMS as AMS associate in EY. So in EY, we can see what will be the details of this job. Okay, so it is very important to go through the key responsibilities, because once you apply for that and if you get a interview call, then they will make sure that you know all of this. Okay, so every question's answer to all of the questions is there in this. So whole of the HR questions and technical, whatever. Okay, whatever the questions they are making sure you have all these qualities. So keep this in mind, and you have these are the answers and the questions will be you will be facing that in interview. Okay, so keep this in mind to whichever interview that you're applying for. Now, skills and attributes for success, that is confident and outgoing individual with strong communication and interpersonal skills, ability to meet tight deadlines and ensure that our work is of consistently high standard, ability to multitask, pay attention to detail, prioritize projects and follow up on routine tasks diligently, ability to communicate with leaders and peers with ease, plan ahead and anticipate potential issues before they rise. Okay, so this is it. This is all the skills that is required by them for this particular associate position. Now, to qualify for the role, you must have graduates with 0 to 3 years of general business experience. Okay, so 0 years of experience, few months of experience, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year is completely fine here. So ideally, you'll also have interest in business and commerciality, proficiency in MS Office, that is Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Then what we look for. So that is so these are the qualities I should have. That is the kind of qualification eligibility criteria, and what we look for. That is what that must be there in you, which they are seeking for. So make sure you have this as well. So a team of people with commercial acumen, technical experience, and enthusiasm to learn new things in this fast-moving environment. An opportunity to be a part of market-leading multidisciplinary team in the only integrated global assurance business worldwide. Opportunity to work with EIGDS assurance practices globally with leading business across a range of industries. Okay, so this is it. It's not a kind of great technical kind of background. They want you to have these many knowledge. So if you belong to technical background or non-technical background too, you can apply to this job. Okay, now to apply for that, you need to go with the apply now button here. You have the option, either you can go with LinkedIn or you can apply through here. So you need to log in first and apply it on later on. So if you don't have any account, you can register here and start create an account, and after that do that. Okay, so your resume is the first priority, and then your personal information you need to fill the form. And here it is for 0 to 3 years of experience. So if you have any work experience, you can provide that. That is also given there. Else you can leave that field, or else you can put it as nil or zero in work experience count. Okay, so this is how you need to apply for this particular job. Now coming to the CTC provided, the average kind of CTC in EY is 4 LPA. So since they have mentioned 0 to 3 years of experience, this is the criteria. Okay, so as you have the experience, when comparing to your previous knowledge and previous CTC provided, it do vary. So 4 LPAs is the like the average for the freshers out in EI. Okay, so that's it. So that's about for today. So if you have any of the further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So everyone try applying to multiple jobs, then only you will get the reply or the response from one of the companies. And one most important thing that you have to keep in mind is while you apply for anything, like even if you're not getting responded, just wait, because this application may get a response maybe after some time, like after a few months or so. So it's completely depending upon the company policy. We cannot do anything regarding that. But it is very important, like you should draft a application, or you should try for a company that you are eagerly waiting for. So make a checklist for the companies that you wishing to get in, and apply to the positions whenever that opening is available, and just wait. Okay, things will happen. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's all for today. So as I said, if you have anything, you can ping it up in the comment section. Okay, so until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.